Let's also, viewers, tell you a little bit about what happened earlier in the parliament before the proceedings for the day began. In fact, opposition parties held a protest, and that protest was against the centre on the issue of LPG supply in the country. And remember, we have seen over the last few days several restaurants and hotels in different parts of the country have in fact reported shortage of commercial LPG cylinders, and that has forced in fact several hotels and restaurants across India to either shut down or trim the menus. On that particular issue, opposition parties held a protest. Take a look at this report.
Currently, the opposition parties are holding this protest at Makar Dwar regarding the LPG crisis which is currently going on all across the country. You can see behind me that all the members of parliament from the Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha are lined up together. They are continuously raising slogans against the government of India and specifically targeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The surrender jibe has once again been taken, as you can see that how there is continuous slogans which are being raised regarding Narendra surrender. As for that reason, they are also holding posters and banners because the allegation which they are making right now upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi is that he is completely absent from the parliament at this point in time, when the people are facing this crisis as they are panic buying the LPG cylinders. In fact, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was also being seen along with the other MPs, as they are demanding that there should be a proper discussion within the parliament that should take place so that assurance can be given to the people of this country regarding the LPG crisis which is currently going on. This is Nyamika Singh reporting from Parliament.
Let's now go across to my colleague Pragya, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, good morning. Opposition parties held protests earlier today on the issue of LPG, even though the government is trying to allay concerns, saying that everything is being done to secure the energy needs of the country, and the focus clearly is on households right now. Can we expect any kind of a statement from the government and parliament in this regard today?
Well, Mr. Hardeep Puri has already spoken on the issue, and in fact, the government has already clarified in the interior ministerial press conference that also government did. It was also made clear that domestic consumption is going to be the priority of the government. In fact, three-member committee has been made to ensure and look into the prevention of the hotel association, restaurant associations, those who believe that there is scarcity of LPG and also cooking gas. In fact, the government is saying, because of Strait of Hormuz, 90 out of the 60% imports that we do of LPG, 90% comes through it. And in fact, we have also is in back channel talks with all the interlocutors. But having said that, government has taken some measures as well to boost the supply of LPG. At least 25% of domestic production has also increased, and in fact directives have also been sent to all the refineries to ensure that the propane, butane, etc. are going to be used only for the production of LPG and nothing else. So government is really focused on it, and in fact there has been concerns about it as well. But the main problem that government is also facing and looking at right now is about the hoardings of LPG, because they do not want any panic situation right now. They are saying that this is a staggered supply that they are doing to ensure there is no untoward impact that is coming on any of the domestic cylinder users as well. So the staggered supply would also mean that you will, earlier you used to get booking after 21 days, now you will get booking after, you can book the cylinder only after 25 days. But the supply of the cylinder is only for 2.5 days, which was also the earlier case.
Right.
So in a way, there is no panic that people should feel. They should not queue up in front of the agencies as well. Is what government is saying right now, and they're also government has also equally blamed opposition for creating this panic. But we are seeing that there is politics over it. Opposition is also speaking on behalf of many people and also on behalf of the scenes that they had seen in front of their in the constituencies, etc. And in fact, there were many people who must have approached them, and this is why the opposition chose to protest about this in the parliament today.
Right. Pragya, request you to please stay on with us. In fact, viewers, there was an inter-ministerial briefing as well that took place yesterday, where we got an idea of what the government really is doing to safeguard the interest of Indians. Now, on one hand, of course, there are protests by the opposition. On the other hand, this is what the government is doing. According to the government, 70% of the crude is now coming from routes outside Hormuz, which wasn't the case earlier. So this is a big development. We are not fully dependent on Strait of Hormuz. So this is the implication. Government has said that India right now is importing crude from 40 countries. Our reliance on Middle East, of course, remains quite strong, but we are also diversifying our crude procurement. Government says 2 crude cargoes are on their way to India. So this is going to be additional supply for our energy requirement. Government says refineries, in fact, are operating at high capacity, some of them at 100% capacity utilization as well. That's also important. It will take care of our requirement. Government has said that the domestic LPG output has gone up by 25%. Remember, that was the first thing that the government asked the refiners here to boost the LPG production, and this is going to be diverted to households. Government has assured there are going to be no cuts in domestic PNG and CNG for vehicles. So people should be rest assured as far as PNG and CNG is concerned. And as Pragya was also mentioning, LPG delivery cycle of 2.5 days is still being maintained. There is no change in that. So if you are booking your cylinder today, within 2.5 days, you will be getting your cylinder. So that also stays. Now, viewers,